Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project La Mer 1 by La Mer Homes LLP located in Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now we are standing inside the sales office of the project. From here to my right, you can see the actual land parcel where the towers will be constructed. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5.5 acres that will have total of 6 towers of ground plus 22 story, having 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences. Also, Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Mumbai-Goa highway, Palaspe Phata, Panvel, from where Panvel railway station is only at a distance of 15 minutes. Navi Mumbai International Airport is only at a distance of 15 minutes. Atal Setu is only at a distance of 20 minutes. You have D-Mart only at a distance of 3 to 4 minutes. And you have school, colleges, hospital only at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, separate ground plus 3 level of clubhouse, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 353 to 440 square feet and 2 BHK in the carpet area of 591 and 599 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available in the project. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 51,000 for both 1 BHK and 2 BHK. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project La Mer 1 by La Mer Homes LLP located in Panvel.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.